Yes, my people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. People, me have to say this. I must say this, But Jamaicans are very good. Jamaicans are very good at what they do. They're very good. Everything Jamaican do, them very good at it. Everything. And you can think of a Jamaican decide to do, them very good at it. But one item I notice, the Jamaican very good at. Jamaicans are very good at tearing down each other. Yes, them very good at that. Them very good at tearing down each other. I just say this because I notice something. There's a rift between dancehall and reggae and all kind of something. Yeah? But when realize, even when the artists them are trying to show them one another some love, you have the people them out there are trying to divide them. I know the artists them, sometimes the artists and show them wood pan one another, that's where it stop. But I watch a lot of videos and I read a lot of the comment them. And based on the comment them, it's the people where I divide the artists them. I know the artists them are dividing one another now. I people them. Vybz Kartel been on him tour, them shows, the turnout them good, the show them successful. That's good. Good for Jamaica, good for the culture. Beenie Man dep on him tour, Beenie Man show them successful. That's good. It's good for Jamaica. But yet you have people out there where if Cartel big up Beenie Man, is a problem. If Beenie Man big up Cartel, is a problem. One can't just be happy. The whole of at the end of the day, the whole of the artists them are Jamaicans, Them are Jamaican at the end of it, yeah? And it's a win for everybody at the end of it still. But to the people them are going, yes, Jaja, them people are definitely come like some warmonger them. Warmonger, crab in a barrel mentality. You can't just be happy for the people them just do what them do and just live. I see, all the while I see foot type of course and I talk about Vybz Kartel. But I see foot hype the pan show and big up Vybz Kartel by playing when I tune them. Now people say, oh Kartel I want to be man big up. We know so that someone else because I know we don't mind negative and telling. But regardless, the man play a tune, people say, oh, if he play Vybz Kartel to get forward. Well, them do something there for, man. What them the vibes there for? You can't say, well, you know, it's good for no say, still. It just goes to show say, the man them not take it to the level we want to take it. Because the man them they really have the mind and heart. Because you see, let me tell you how I stay. You see, if I don't believe in somebody or something, I don't do nothing to support them, Even if I go lose, I'd rather lose at some time. That's to show you how deep it is with some people. If me not support you, me not let him money a song me not play. Even if me a DJ and me forget a date and somebody say I have to play certain artists where me not like song, I say me not play it, so nobody give me a date, Me don't want the date, That's how me is. You understand? And based on the fact that the man can bring unity. Me and Beenie big up Kartel, and big up Buju, and big up all kind of somebody on the show. You understand? And people say, him have to call a name to get a forward and get, no, what kind of idiot fool business? What kind of stupid? What them there for? Eh? What kind of stupidity them there something? The idiot thing them there, man. Come down, man. Don't come off of them the negative vibes, man. Forward moving, man. Me notice, every country, every nation have them people where I do all kind of things worse than Jamaica. But yet, you still not hear for them people that tear them down. You don't even hear nothing about somebody something. Like oh you that hear for Jamaican thing publicized all over. What kind of idiot business them man? Come on man, you don't change up on the ways man, change up on the folly ground man. Change up on the folly ground. Unity we are saying man. I love our unity, you know. Unity is strength, you know. You understand? And we start rip down one another. We get weak. Weak because there's a division. You know, when you divide something, it gets smaller. Yeah. If you have 8 something, it's 8. But divide it by 4 and see what happens. It gets smaller. Just like everything else. But we know someone who can understand and someone who won't understand and someone who not understand. But we enjoy the music, man. I enjoy what the entertainer them do. I make them go and think. At the end of the day, people out here talk and criticize and chat all kind of something. And them make them money. And they live their life. And can buy them how much you house and how much you can. What we can buy? Some we can buy shit. Some we can buy nothing. But yet, we still have to go and make it be an issue and a problem. Look after for yourself, man. I make the man then go on with them do, man. But yeah, like me I say, we're very good at tearing on each other, man. We need to stop it, man. We need to stop it, man. It's not a good look. All kind of people are telling my head. Bloggers are tear down this one, that tear down that the one, this one. All kind of fool idiot. Fool something that. Boy, I don't know about something about me, no time for them to read or something there. I live and praise God and live and do my thing and live my life. I don't know what's back on my kitchen me I fix up. Brand new kitchen me I put in. I don't go myself. I don't have time to watch people with them I do. I live my life and do my thing. Simple. Wish everybody could do the same so. And people just live, man. Sure, man. Do better than that, man. Backside after all. Sure. You don't like the vibe, man. I see the vibe and I say, boy, Jano, the people that stay so. The people them this one here, Gully and Gaza and this and Vendetta and that and that and that. What for? What for? What for, man? What the whole reason behind it? The amount of money we out there in the world for make. No Vendetta, no Gaza, no Gully, no this, no that can't done it. The money can't done. So everybody just live and just make their money and live and a unity, you know. As I tell a man, so one of the best things that happened to dance hall, let me say, is when Beanie and Bounty Killer end them feud and become friends. That was a big unity, because automatically it's like majority of Beanie fan them turn Bounty Killer fan, and majority of Bounty fan them turn Beanie fan. That's how if you go. Why can't just unite? Everybody unite and come together. Yeah? Everybody just come together and just, yeah, make DJ them run and joke and do what they do and show them what. But at the end of the day, when a cartel show a keep, when a Beanie Man fan them, I go said way. When a Beanie Man show a keep, the whole cartel fan them go said way. I saw the thing figure. When I see what the war in the dance alpha. And the cuss and the what for? The people them want to fight and cuss and war with their oppression and keep on down and all that kind of something there, and I make you suffer in their life. And them want to, you know what I mean? Sure, man, you know better people, man. Sure. Anyway, big up on yourself, yeah. I'm so share this thing. I mean, I like to see what I'm going to rascal. Sure, bumbo. Sure, I think piss me off, you know.